you are trying to choose between Claude Code and GitHub Copilot, here's the real difference. One thinks like a senior developer, the other works like a fast junior beside you. Claude Code is more like an AI agent than just a coding assistant. It can read your entire codebase, understand what you're trying to build, and handle multi-step tasks like refactoring, debugging, or even planning features. In real workflows, developers use it for complex problems, large projects, and understanding messy code. It usually comes through Claude plans, starting around $20 per month for Pro, with higher tiers for more usage. That means you can use it daily, and many people earn by building projects, freelancing, or shipping faster with fewer mistakes. But it does have a downside. It's slower compared to instant suggestions, and sometimes you wait a few seconds for deeper responses because it analyzes more context. GitHub Copilot is built for speed inside your editor. It sits directly in tools like VS Code and suggests code as you type, almost like autocomplete on steroids. In real workflows, it's used for writing code quickly, generating boilerplate, and speeding up repetitive tasks. Pricing is simple, around $10 per month for individuals, with business plans costing more. That low cost makes it easy to start, and many developers begin seeing productivity gains immediately, especially for simple or repetitive coding. But I found some downside. It focuses on speed, so it can suggest code that looks right but isn't fully correct, especially in complex situations. So in real work practice, Claude Code is best when you're dealing with complex logic, debugging, or working across large files where understanding matters more than speed. GitHub Copilot is best when you already know what you're doing and just want to write code faster. They do compete, but not directly. Claude Code helps you think and solve, while Copilot helps you type and ship faster. Many developers actually use both together, one for thinking, one for speed. So if this helped you decide, tap like, subscribe for more honest comparisons, and tell me, are you coding faster or thinking deeper? And I'll see you in the next one.